Hi boys and girls. Today we're going to do day 2. So first we're going to read the summary of the story Two Old Potatoes and Me. Then we're going to work on nouns and articles like the word a or an and the word the. Okay? And then we'll play some vocabulary bingo. Okay? All you'll do for this worksheet is fill in your vocabulary words, okay, which are written on the Reach document that I sent with all the different days that you have to do the work. The vocabulary words are written on there. And you can create some cards to play bingo. So if you read the word produce, okay, produce, you'll fill it in and try to get 5 words in a row. But we'll work on that after. All right, take out this paper. I'm going to read to you first, and then you'll read on your own. Okay, this story, let's look at our pictures, right? Text features to see what the story is going to be about. I see a man and a little girl. I wonder if this is her dad. Okay, it looks like they're watering some plants. And it looks like she's spraying him with water. Both of them are smiling though, so they must be having fun. And at the end, it looks like they're eating something. I wonder if they're eating potatoes, since it talks about 2 old potatoes. Let's read and find out. Follow along with your finger. 2 old potatoes and me. A girl finds 2 old potatoes. The potatoes have sprouts growing from their eyes. Her dad says new potatoes can grow from old ones. The girl and her dad take the potatoes to the garden. They plant pieces of the potatoes with their eyes facing up. In May, little green plants poke out of the soil. In June, little violet flowers grow on the plants. In July, the plants grow tall. In August, the leaves turn brown, but the plants are not dead. Potatoes are growing under the ground. In September, the girl and her dad dig up the potatoes. The girl counts 67 potatoes. Finally, the girl and her dad eat mashed potatoes together. Yum. Okay, so now I want you to pause the video and read this story 2 times through, okay, on your own. All right, boys and girls, now we're going to talk about articles. This is a marker. We don't just say marker, this marker. This is marker. No, we say this is a marker or a marker. Okay, we use the word a. Okay. If I say can you use the stapler? And I'm talking about this stapler. I say the word the, T-H-E, the stapler. The stapler I have is red, okay? And we can use the word an, like if I say, this is an orange pencil, okay? When do we know when to use a, an, or the? I'm going to tell you, okay? Follow along with me for the directions, okay? Point along with your finger. Day in the park, grammar rules, nouns and articles. Use a or an to talk about something in general. Before a noun that starts with a consonant, use a. Okay? For example, a plant, a garden, a person. Okay? So when we talk about things in general, okay, it's not specific. No es específico. Okay? So if I say use a crayon, you can use any crayon. Usando un crayon. Okay? Any crayon. Okay? If the word starts with a consonant, we use the word a or a. Okay? The next part of the directions, Okay, so now I'm looking right here. Follow along. Before a noun that starts with a vowel, use an. Okay, like an ant, an idea, an ocean. So because these words start with a vowel, we use the article an. Okay, so if I use an orange pencil, because orange starts with the vowel O, okay, then we say the word an in front. Okay, let's look at some on a piece of paper for you. So if I say orange, apple, banana, and pear. Okay, if we talk about some fruits, okay, let's talk about when we use a or an. Can you tell me our vowels? Let's try to remember, what are the vowels? We haven't seen each other in a while. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Very good. A, E, I, O, and U. Okay. All right. I'm drawing some pictures for you. All right. Miss Meyer drew some fruit. Okay. So we're looking at the words orange, apple, banana, and pear. Which words start with the vowel A, E, I, O, or U? Which ones? Tell me. Orange and apple start with a vowel, right? Okay. Orange starts with an O, and apple starts with an A. Okay. So because the first letter is a vowel, la primera letra es un vowel, A, E, I, O, or U. Okay. These are the vowels, A, E, I, O, or U. Okay. If the first letter, la primera letra, es un vowel, A, E, I, O, U, then we're going to use the word an before it. Okay. An orange, an apple. But if the word does not start with a vowel, we're going to use the word a. I have a banana. I have a pear. Sometimes we say a pear or a banana. Okay, it can sound a little bit different. Okay, but it just depends. If this is a consonant, then we use the word a. If this letter is a vowel, the first letter of the word, then we use the word an. Okay, we use a and an when we're talking about something that's not specific. No específico. Okay, but when we talk about something that is specific, we use the word the. Okay, we're going to go back to the worksheet. Okay, number 2 says, use the to talk about something specific. The boy next door. The plant by my window. Okay, so if I say the stapler Miss Meyer has is red. Okay, but I could say, do you have a stapler? Okay, the stapler that I have is specific, is específico. Okay, but if I say, do you have a stapler? No específico, usando la palabra a. Okay, específico, Miss Meyer has the red stapler. Okay, because it's specific. Okay, it belongs to me. I have it. Okay, it's mine. All right. Now, let's work on the worksheet. We'll try to work through it together. Okay? Add the correct article before each noun. On Saturday, I had an idea or a idea. An, because it starts with the letter I. For a fun day. Okay? So, on Saturday, I had an idea for a fun day. Because idea starts with the I, we say an. Okay? And the idea is not specific because we don't know what the idea is yet. Okay? Blank, friend, and I walked to Hunter's Park. A friend and I, an friend and I, or the friend and I? A friend. Because we don't know who the friend is. Okay? Usando a porque no tiene un nombre de su amigo. Okay? Un amigo y yo camina a la parque de Hunters. Okay? Usando o a, un, en español, un amigo, right? Porque su amigo no tiene un nombre. Okay? A friend and I walked to Hunter's Park. Okay? We like a park a lot, we like an park a lot, or we like the park a lot? The. Because now we know that the park we're talking about is Hunter's Park. Okay? It's specific. Específico. Okay? Because they said Hunter's Park. We like the park a lot. They're talking about Hunter's Park. Okay? We saw many beautiful plants in a garden there, and garden there, or the garden there. We saw many beautiful plants in a garden there. A, right? We saw an orchid or a orchid. An, because orchid starts with the vowel O. Okay? An orchid. And a rose or an rose. A, because this is a consonant. Okay? We saw an animal or a animal. An, that's right, it starts with an A, a vowel. We saw an animal in a park, an park, or the park. A park, because we know what park we're at, right? The Hunter's Park. It was a great day in a park or an park. Or the. The. That was a trick question. Nice job. Okay. Awesome job, boys and girls. All right, the last activity is bingo, vocabulary bingo. Write one word in each leaf. Listen to the clues. Then find the key word to use a marker and cover it. Say bingo when you have 4 markers in a row. So what you're going to do here is you're just going to write the vocabulary words in each leaf. Okay? I'm going to go ahead and do that right now so that you can see what the vocabulary words are if you don't have that paper with you. Okay, boys and girls. So if you want to just pause the video right here, you'll be able to see all the vocabulary words that you need. They're also in the packet that I sent you with the different days for when you do each part of each work. Okay, the guide, la guía, I don't know how to say it. Lo siento. Tiene todas palabras para vocabulario. Okay, o usando este papel y copia. Okay. All right. So what you're going to do, you can write these words in and then write them on paper. Okay. You can choose one. And I got the word, oops, it's hard to see, vine. Okay.